Okay, so you've now finished your first video um, about the one-step equations, and now you're on the second part. You've practiced your problems and big ideas. So you've come to the second part, and notice I haven't filled in the problems on this page of which ones to practice, but it does ask you to watch the second video. Now remember, when you watch this, if I click on this, it's going to bring me.
The other thing we have to do
turn that off there, but it brings me to where you left off on the previous part of the lesson. So that's that stopper I was talking about. Okay, and so the other thing that you could do, and some of you may have had me for a previous class or have used some of my stuff for a previous class. When you're in here and it says, hey, complete the lesson below, this is my website that you click on. Here's our assignment. But it says complete the lesson below, and you click on the lesson. Well, you'll notice there's a couple things to the right. And this right here, this first one, is the actual full video that I've broken up. So if you were to click on that,
okay, we're going to start by solving equations.
Go like so, you have the option to see all of the whole video in its entirety. If you need closed captioning, we have the closed captioning option on there. And let me go ahead and get out of there. They also have some note pages where you can take notes. The actual, if you want to print them off, or if you have a tablet and you want to draw on your tablet, you can do it that way. And for those of you that need the help, here's the filled out version, the actual problems I'd work through in the lesson. And if you want some more resources, if you click where it says other resources here, it'll drop down a menu. And there's just some other in-class instruction or McCoy. These are videos that I've done a long time ago. Virtual Nerd's pretty good. Some students like that. The Big Ideas textbook examples. If you click on that, it actually brings you to a different page where you can click on examples that you would actually see from the textbook. Now, these actually go through the exact problems that you would see in the textbook. And they go through them fairly fast. Okay? There's not a lot of explanation there. Okay, so some other resources for you. But once you've done all of this, and let's go back to our slideshow here. Once you've finished, you've tried the new problems I'll put in there, you've hit check your answer. Remember, you need to get at least a 70% to earn credit on this assignment. So if you're missing problems and you hit submit, you're not going to get full credit or any credit if you don't get above a 70%. And then you need to turn in a picture of your work via the Google Classroom. Okay, there's an assignment in Google Classroom that says 1.1 work. You turn it in. I give you credit. I give you credit on your Big Ideas assignment, and then you're done. Okay, and then you'd move on to tomorrow's lesson, which would be right below here. Okay, I haven't put that in yet, but it'd be Wednesday 9/9. Okay, all right. Hope you're doing well.